Hey there, and thank you for choosing the Diaminy Mesotherapy Machine. Today, we'll walk you through the quick and easy setup process to get your device up and running. First things first, let's check everything you've received in the box. Make sure you have all the necessary components. The Mesotherapy Machine, 3 multi 9-pin needles, a filter, the negative pressure tube, a 5 milliliter syringe, the charger, 2 plastic caps, and 3 screws to fit the syringes. Once everything is accounted for, we can move on. Now, let's learn about the mesotherapy machine itself. Press and hold the power button for 5 seconds to turn on the device. Press both right side buttons to turn off the device. The C button adjusts the negative pressure intensity, and the D button controls the duration of the negative pressure. Now let's get the mesotherapy machine installed. When you need to eject the fixed bearing, simply press and hold the C button. Start by choosing the screw that fits the 5 milliliter syringe. Attach it and tighten securely. Next, screw your 5 milliliter syringe into place. Once it's in, press the D button to pull the fixed bearing, ensuring the syringe is tightly connected. Attach the plastic cap for the 5 milliliter syringe and twist it on snugly. Now, you can either attach the needle or the syringe connector to the unit. Don't forget to press the C button to expel any air in the syringe. Now, dip the needle or syringe connector into your solution. Press the D to draw up the liquid. It's that simple. Let's finish putting it all together. Attach the multi 9-pin needle. Connect the negative pressure tube to the filter and the needle. Finally, attach the filter to the mesotherapy machine itself. And that's it. Your Diaminy Mesotherapy Machine is now fully assembled and ready to use. You're all set to experience the power of advanced skin care. Enjoy!